going on, guys? Walter's Cars here. Today we're on the Mustang. We are taking out the 5.0 badges. We're ready to do one side. This is just done with the kitchen knife, really. Just going around it and using fishing wire. So we got one side. So basically what we did here on this side, we just used this knife and just went around the edges very carefully. Obviously, I don't think there's any scratches. I mean, this is a white car, so I don't really see any scratches. It's a good thing about having a white car, but other than that, yeah, we just use this basically in fishing wire. So see what we're gonna do with this. We're gonna get the black Emblems and put it right on. So guys, you've probably seen on YouTube videos that glue gun is the best thing to do, like to remove this, but I guess in the comments below just put why you have to remove it, because I don't see the point really if you're gonna stick something over it, but you know. But yeah, we're gonna put the black one on right now. Alright guys, so this is with it on. So I'm gonna show you the before. And then of course the after. Look at that change, guys. It just brings the car alive. It's just so nice. Honestly, it's just that the chrome is just too original. Of course the chrome is nice and all, but you do gotta go black. It's just a better look. So let's do the other side and get this over with, and we'll do the GT badge later. Alright guys, so now both sides are on. We're gonna get to that later. It's gonna be a while. And now yeah, it looks nice. And now of course we have to do this side, which we're gonna do right now. Basically, we just took it off right now, just same way with the knife. People are saying on YouTube, you really got to go like take out the whole thing. I was like, heck no. So did my own way and I put this bad boy back on. See how it looks right here. Alright guys, as you can see, you can barely see the logo, but it's nice as a midnight contrast right here. You can see right there. And then on this side, same as the other side, but it looks so nice. Thank you guys for watching, and this is Walter's Cars signing out.